This is a story about Q and how Q helps me to bake a potato. I'm going to bake this potato at 425 degrees. And when it's done, I want to pull it out of the oven with my bare hands. Can I do it? Q will help us to find out. Q is the amount of energy absorbed or released by an object. Q equals mc delta T, where m is the mass of the object, c is its heat capacity, and delta T is its change in temperature. Q varies proportionally with all those variables on the right. For example, if m, the mass of the object, is big, Q is big. And if the mass of the object is small, Q is small. Now let's get back to my potato. The handles on my potato pocket were about 4 sheets of aluminum foil thick. So as you can see, that's about half a gram. The heat capacity of aluminum is pretty small too, 1 joule per gram degree C. Delta T, though, is pretty big. The oven temperature is 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or 220 degrees Celsius. Room temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, so the aluminum will increase in temperature by 200 degrees Celsius. So, putting it all together, Q equals mc delta T, or 100 joules. That's the amount of energy the potato pocket handles will absorb from the oven, and it's also the amount of energy they will transfer to my fingers when I grab them to take the potato out of the oven. Will they burn me? Let's find out. We do about the same calculation for my fingers as we did for the aluminum. My fingers weigh about the same as this cheese and sausage, so 16 grams. The heat capacity C of flesh is about that of water, which is pretty high, 4 joules per gram degree C. In this case, my fingers will absorb the 100 joules of heat energy contained in the aluminum foil handle. We want to know what size of temperature change that will cause in my fingers. Will it be enough to blister my fingers, or worse? Putting it all together, we calculate that when I grab that potato pocket handle with my bare hands, the temperature of my fingers will increase by 1.6 degrees Celsius. I think I can handle that. Take it out with my bare hands. There it is. I did it. So go ahead, calculate some Q's in your life and have fun.